when she brought the bird back to me about 8 weeks later, it had feathers. It wasn't gorgeous, but it had feathers. And you didn't see its skin as much. And the sores were gone, and she was delighted. She never brought the bird back to me again. So I never saw her again, but I heard about the bird from someone else, that the bird's feathers grew completely back in with Ignatia. That's from having missed someone, grieving their lives. It's a great medicine. That is different than when someone is homesick.